Iteration is a really important aspect of design because the first time we do something, it is never really a completed design, and we want to iterate on that and work through it. So we iterate as we sketch, and then we iterate as we design as well. To iterate, we'll need different pages so that we can judge our iterations against each other. It's very bad practice to delete your iterations or just modify a single iteration, because then you can't make any judgment between two iterations. You can't see how things look different as they develop. And so it's very important that we continually make new iterations as we go along. In order to do this, we'll need to know how to make new pages. And a really important concept here in the business card world is whether we're going to be horizontal or vertical. And so we need to know how to change the orientation of our pages. This is pretty simple. All we need to do is go over here to the Pages panel. This button right here that looks like a square will add a page for us. When we click that, we can choose how many pages we want to add. Let's just say that we wanted to add 3, and we can put them before or after a page. We'll just put them after page 1, and we'll click OK. Now let's say that we wanted our last 2 iterations to be vertical. We can just come here, click on the page, right click on it, and right here where it says Spread Properties, we'll go ahead and we will check the portrait box. Now a portrait one, if we want to do that again, just come here, right click, choose Spread Properties, and select Portrait. So now we have 2, and these are the same size. They just don't look the same size here because of the way that it displays Portrait and Landscape. These first 2 are going to be horizontal, and these last 2 are going to be vertical. That gives us a good chance to be able to design different layouts, and we can add pages as we go along. Now that we know how to do that, we're going to go ahead and start laying out the document in our next video.